What if you could type one command and your computer just handled the entire job? Research done, content written, files delivered. That's the pitch behind Odin AI, a new desktop agent from Neil Napier. I'm going to break down whether it actually lives up to that promise. Here's the real problem for freelancers and agency owners. You can land the clients, but delivery is killing you. You're spending 6, 7, 8 hours a day on work that pays the same whether it takes you 1 hour or 10. AI tools helped a little, but you still had to do all the clicking, copying, formatting, and filing yourself. Odin AI is built specifically to close that gap. Odin AI is a desktop AI agent that installs directly on your computer. It can see your screen, control your mouse and keyboard, and complete full workflows from start to finish on a single command. It was created by Neil Napier, an 8-figure marketer who has been building software for online businesses since 2014. This is his most ambitious product yet. Three modes power the whole system. Guide mode puts step-by-step instructions on screen so you can follow along. Act mode hands Odin the keyboard and mouse, and it executes for you. And background agent, the one people are most excited about, runs your task autonomously while you're completely free to do something else. One command in, finished work out. Using it is 3 steps. You install Odin AI on your desktop, connect it to your workflows, and give it a command. It reads your screen to understand context, then takes control of your apps to execute the full task. You can also send commands remotely via Telegram from your phone and come back to finished deliverables. No dashboard babysitting, no prompt chains. Neil's positioning is built around one number, $2,000 to $5,000 a month in added income. The model is simple. Use Odin AI to handle client delivery work that would normally take you all day. Charge clients $500 to $2,500 a month per business. Land a handful of clients and the numbers stack fast. The software supports up to 100 client machines on the top agency tier. Screen vision is what sets this apart from every other AI tool in your stack right now. Odin does not just generate text, it actually looks at whatever is on your monitor, understands what it sees, and then acts on it. That means it can navigate a browser, fill in forms, pull data from a spreadsheet, paste it somewhere else, and move on to the next step, all without you watching. Let's compare it to Manus AI, which is probably the most talked about desktop agent right now. Manus is cloud-based and runs on a subscription. Odin AI is a one-time payment and lives on your machine, which means lower latency and no monthly bill. Manus has a head start and a bigger user base. But for freelancers and agency owners who want a one-time cost tool they can deploy to client machines, Odin is the stronger business case. What I like, background agent mode is the real deal. One command and Odin works while you're completely free. The Telegram remote control is a genuine convenience win for anyone who works on the go. The commercial license lets you deploy this to client machines and charge for it, and the one-time pricing during launch makes the entry cost pretty easy to justify. 2. Honest limitations to flag. First, it requires a desktop machine that stays on. This is not a cloud tool that runs around the clock on a server. If your computer is off or asleep, Odin is not working. Second, it is a brand new product. Neil has a strong track record, but with any launch day software, there will be rough edges and updates coming. Check the feature list carefully against your specific workflow before buying. Front end is $67 one time. OTO1 adds unlimited agent creation and 150 premium modules for another $67. There's an all-in-one bundle with every upgrade included for $297. For an agency owner who wants to deploy to client machines, the reseller OTO runs $97 to $297 for 20 to 100 licenses. All tiers are one-time payments during the launch window. Here's an early buyer who is a freelance copywriter. I gave Odin AI one command to research a competitor, write a comparison post, and format it in Google Docs. I walked away, made coffee, came back, and it was done. Background agent mode is genuinely wild. This is what AI was supposed to be. And from a digital agency owner, I run a small agency doing content and social media for local businesses. Odin handles my entire content delivery workflow now. I type one brief, it pulls research, writes the post, schedules them. I'm billing the same clients, but working maybe 2 hours a day instead of 8. Verdict: if you are a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner spending most of your day on delivery work, Odin AI is worth a serious look. Background agent mode alone could change how you operate if it works as advertised. The catch is that it needs your desktop on to run. If you need a 24/7 cloud agent, this is not that. But for replacing manual delivery hours with one command automation, this is the most ambitious tool Neil Napier has built. If this looks like something that could change how you work, the link is in the description below. Go check it out, see what Neil has put together, and decide for yourself. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll do my best to help.